చూస్తే in the last few episodes I have clearly shown you how to calculate two digital squares. Using speed mass with amazing speed we can do the squares of two digits very clearly I told you. And finally I told you some special squares also. When a number ends with 5, how we can do in few seconds. When the number starts with 5, how we can do in few seconds. Just 1 or 2 seconds I think you have seen. In a second or two you can say. Like that I have explained you in detail about the squares of two digital numbers. Now we are going for the squares of three digital numbers. See, as I have already told you, squares, square roots, cubes, cube roots play a major role in competitive examinations. Generally also it is a little bit tougher subject, but by learning speed mass just you can play with mass in squares and square roots. Just you can play with squares and square roots. Simply, amazingly you can do. There are 2-3 methods. You can have all the 3 methods and you can use whichever method you like it or whichever method you remember it. I will show you all the things very clearly. I do explain. Please observe and see. It's very important. I am telling you. If you want to write down, you write on a paper. Take a paper and pencil and write down. And everywhere in any competitive examination, minimum 5 to 6 bits of squares and square roots welcome you. So get yourself prepared. Neatly I will explain. Now we will go for 3 digital squares.
3 digital squares.
3 digital squares. How to find? There are 2-3 methods. As I told you, one by one I do explain you. Please observe keenly. If possible, you try to take a note and try to learn. Now let us see. As I have told you, we have thoroughly done the squares of 2 digits. Now 3 digits. Suppose
305 square.
Now I will show you how to find the square of 3 digits. As I told you, there are 2-3 methods. I will explain all the methods. You just try to learn.
305 square equals to 305 into 305. 5 into 5 equals to 25. 25 here. 5 into 3 equals to 15. 15 here. 0, 0, 0. 3 into 5 equals to 15. 15 here. 3 into 3 equals to 9. 9 here. Add 52039. Answer is 93025.
Now I will show you amazingly in few seconds, just 1 or 2 seconds, not few seconds, in 1 or 2 seconds you can just write the answer. By seeing that, see the problem, use little of your brains, write the answer. Simple, you see. I will explain you slowly, later I will tell you. Here you give slash after 3 digits from right side. 1, 2 digits you give a slash, or you imagine, you need not give, imagine, because it is in the beginning I am telling you.
Assume it as A and B. A plus B square equals to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Step 1 equals to B square equals to 5 square equals to 25. 25 here.
So 05 square is 25. Okay, write 25 here. Shall we write 25 here or 5 here, 2 outside? Can anybody imagine? You imagine yourself whether it is right or wrong. Shall I write 25 here or 5 here and 2 outside? Suppose if it is 35 square.
35 square equals to 5 here, 2 outside.
Because you are operating 3 digits, you have to take 2 digits at a time. That is rule number 1 of speed mass. whenever you touch a problem of speed mass, kindly remember that when you are operating 2 digits, you have to take 1 digit. When you are operating 3 digits, you have to take 2 digits. Like that, when you are operating 4 digits, you have to take 3 digits at a time. I do tell you all these things. So, we are multiplying 3 digits, 305, 3 digits, and give a slash, take this as b, b square is 25, and you have to write 25. Always you have to take 2 digits when you are solving 3 digital problem. So,
Step 2 equals to 2ab. 2 into 3 into 05 equals to 30. 30 here. Step 3 equals to a square equals to 3 square equals to 9. 9 here.
give slash after 2 digits, this is a, this is b, right. Use the formula and you come from right to left. B square is 05 square is 25. You have to write 25 here, because we are operating 3 digits, you have to take 2 digits. Basic rule, first rule. Next, 2ab, 2 into 3 into 05, okay, that is 30. 2 3 6 6 5 30, write 30 here. And again step 3 is a square. A square is 3 square, 3 square is 9, 9. So, simply, amazingly, in few seconds you can do. Let us see another problem.
406 whole square equals to, give a slash, 6 square equals to 36, 36 here, 2ab equals to 2 into 4 into 06 equals to 48, 48 here, 4 into 4 equals to 16, 16 here,
And 4 4 16, that is the answer. Will it take more than 2 3 seconds? 6 square, 06 square is 36. 2ab is 2 into 4 into 6. 2 into 4 8, 8 6 is 48, and 4 square is 16. Like that you can do. Okay. Suppose
708 square equals to, give a slash, 8 into 8 equals to 64, 64 here, 2 into 7 into 8 equals to 112, 12 here, 1 outside, 7 into 7 equals to 49, 49 plus 1 equals to 50, 50 here,
I hope I am quite clear. 708 square, 8864, right. Next 2 into 7 into 8, 2 into 7 into 8, because 2 sevens 14, 14 8s, a little bit trouble for somebody, come like this. 8 into 7, 56, 56 into 2, simply 112, write 12 here, keep 1 outside, and 7 sevens 49, 49 plus 1 50, okay. Now, I will show you some more examples. You ought to have a thorough knowledge. Here it is not completed, still some things are there. Suppose 201 square,
201
what to do?
square equals to, give a slash, b square equals to 01 square equals to 1, 01 here, 2ab equals to 2 into 2 into 01, 4, 04 here, a square equals to 2 square equals to 4. 4 here.
Again 0 1 square, 0 1 square is 1, but you have to write it as 0 1. Again 2ab, 2 into 2 4, 4 into 1 4, 4, you have to write it as 0 4, right. Next 2 square 4, like this. Again I will tell you some more things. All these things you should be thorough, you should not do any mistakes. Suppose
411 square equals to, give a slash, assume it as a and b. B square equals to 11 square equals to 121. 2 1 here, 1 outside. 2 into 4 into 11 equals to 88. 88 plus 1 equals to 89. 89 here. 4 into 4 equals to 16. 16 here.
again I am telling you 11 square is 121. So write 21 here in the answer and one out, keep one outside to be carried over. Next
3 1 2 square equals to 12 into 12 equals to 144. 44 here, 1 outside. 2 into 3 into 12 equals to 72. 72 plus 1 equals to 73. 73 here. 3 into 3 equals to 9. 9 here. 3 9 2 square equals to, give a slash, 225 square, give a slash, 25 into 25 equals to 625. 25 here, 6 outside.
2ab, 2 into 2 4, 25 into 4 100, 100 plus 6 106. So write
2 into 25 equals to 100. 100 plus 6 equals to 106. 06 here, 1 outside. 2 into 2 equals to 4. 4 plus 1 equals to 5. 5 here.
in 3 digits when you can square the last 2 digits easily. Anything, suppose 316 square, you can do it because you know 16 square. If it is 390 square, you cannot do.
316 square equals to, give a slash, 396 square, give a slash, 555 square equals to?
Generally we have to give slash and do. Tell me, can anybody imagine how it can be done within few seconds? What you have to do? You have to give slash and you should be able to square this. But if you generally what to do? No, there is no other way. So you write 555 into 555 and crisscross method or multiply. That is the only way, because you cannot give slash. But instantaneously I told him, I also thought for a second, immediately I got an idea how to do this. I told you very specifically the special squares, that is ending with 5 and starting with 5.
555 into 555, give a slash, (55) square equals to 3025.
Like this, you take starting with 5, 5 is 25 plus 5 30, 30 plus 5 square 25. So 55 square is 3025. Write 25 here and 30 outside, because you have to take only 2 digits, mind it. Like that you have to use your brain, because it is 55 bigger number, we do not know, we cannot square. No, why I told you the special square ending with 5, starting immediately you have to use your brains. So 55 square is, we know it is 3025. Write 25, keep 30 outside. Then 2ab, 2 into 5 10, 55 into 10 550, 550 plus 30 580.
2 into 5 into 55 equals to 550, 550 plus 30 equals to 580, 80 here, 5 outside, 30 here.
Suppose if it is something like that, even if it is 64 or 43 you cannot do, because 43 square you do not know, but 55 square even if it is, see, 675 you can do, because 75 square you know it is ending with 5. So 75 square is 7 into 8 56, 5 5 25, 56 25, write 25, keep 56 outside, 6 to 12, like that you can do. So this process can be used when you can square the last 2 numbers easily. And the thing you have to remember always, I was telling right from the beginning, when you are operating 3 digits, you have to take 2 digits compulsorily. 6 6 36, all right, you write 36 if it is 506 square. If it is 201 square, 1 square is 1, so you have to write it as 01. Suppose if it is 212 square, 12 square is 144, so you write 44 there and take 1 outside to be carried over to the next step. So always you have to take 2 digits when you are operating 3 digits. You give slash like this, and this can be applied when you can square the last 2 digits easily. Thank you.